Westerlies belt. On the poleward side of the subtropical high-pressure belts are the regions where the mobile depressions and anticyclones of the temperature zone are found. As these pressure systems move, generally from a westerly direction, they cause considerable variations in wind direction and force at any given place. On the whole, there is a predominance of westerly winds. In the southern hemisphere, these winds often reach gale force, and they are known as the roaring forties. Subtropical anticyclone belt. These are belts of light and variable winds. Fine clear weather marks the central regions of the subtropical high-pressure belt. They are mainly located in about latitude 30 degrees to 35 degrees north and south, are also referred to as horse latitudes. Trade wind belts. This is a belt of winds which exists between the subtropical anticyclone and the ITCZ. The northeast trades are in the northern hemisphere, the southeast trades are in the southern hemisphere. The general extent of trade winds as shown by the vector. Main winds and the main position of the ITCZ are illustrated below for January and July. Note that the typical northeast trades evident in other areas are absent in the North Indian Ocean in July. The particular feature of the area then is the monsoon. The wind direction and speed within each trade wind belt varies. The average strength is force 4, with a general tendency for an increase in strength during the winter season. The common cloud is cumulus, with vertical development and showers. Occasionally, the trade winds may be absent, their place being taken by tropical storms. Doldrums belt. This is the zone of light and variable winds which form a narrow belt between the equator and about latitude 12 degrees north, which varies with longitude and season. The doldrums are generally known for their light and variable winds, but squalls, heavy rain and thunderstorms are also experienced.